Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create WhatsApp channel. So first, you just have to launch your WhatsApp application and then tap this three dots at the top right corner. Now you will see five options here: new group, new broadcast, link devices, start messages, settings. You have to click new broadcast. Now you can start adding members on your group chat. You need to add at least two contacts here in order for you to create one. Tap the person's profile to add him or her. So you have created a WhatsApp channel here. You can start sending message, sending videos, add attachment, send emojis, and so on. You can also try this voice message right here. So basically, that's how easy it is to create WhatsApp channel. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.